Hello, my friends. It has been a minute. It has been longer than a minute since I have put up a long form video for you all. I've been doing a bunch of shorts over there, and I'll explain that a little bit more when we get into the video. But for today, we're going to do a very easy makeup, get ready with me look. And I'm going to get started by pulling this hair back. All right, that is definitely better. Got the hair out, beast mode, we're in work mode. I have so many new products that I've been trying that I want to share with you. First up is the Sun Touchable Whoa Glow e.l.f. primer. It's got a little bit of pigment to it, glow actually, SPF of 30, and it primes your face all in one. And it's good for your skin with summer coming up because we all need some SPF, and if you don't, you should. You can put a little bit underneath your eyebrows right there. Whatever you do, don't make the mistake of going out without your sunscreen on, or your skin is going to age prematurely. While that's dry, I'm going to go ahead and put my brow gel on. I'm using the Ulta Clear Brow Gel. I've come to really enjoy this product. And also, you might be wondering why in the heck I'm doing my brows first. Well, here's something I've learned. If you want your brow products to stay on and not smudge off or smudge down your eye, do them first. It's kind of like a reverse. Well, in fact, it is a reverse. Do these first. If you're going to pencil them in, get them penciled in. I'm not going to do a lot of penciling today, so because I'm trying to do like almost like a no makeup look for spring. It's going to be like a quick spring look since spring is on the horizon. It's the day after Easter. I'm so excited about that. Look, Hydro Grip Eye Primer. What is new? What is new? There are so many products out on the market. I use my finger to blend this in. It's quick. It's fast. And I don't have to dirty up one of my brushes that I'm going to have to wash at the end of the day today. Go ahead in there with that. I'm almost done with this Milk eye primer, and I've got some other ones in the works that I'll be trying out for you guys that you're going to love. But for today, I want to use this product up. So we're going to use it. It's a good primer. We're going to go ahead and dry that up. There we go. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette. I know this is a little bit of an older palette, but it's an oldie but a goodie, and I really don't use it that often, but it's got this really nice shade here called Destiny, which is kind of like a spring green, because when I look outside, I've already had to cut my grass. Things are greening up. The world is coming alive after winter. First thing I'm going to do is go all over my eye with a very neutral shade in this palette. It's called Dawn. Just like shaded taupey color, maybe even a little bit lighter than that. Going in with the big windshield washer motions just to lay down some color on my eye. Like I said, I'm not using any fancy brushes today because we're just going for a real quick spring look. I mean, who wants all that fuss after the long, heavy winter, right? My gosh, guys, have you seen the new products from e.l.f.? Oh my gosh, they just cannot stop. They are so hitting it out of the park with the new shades that they're coming out with. I can't even begin to tell you. They came out with the new contour sticks and blush sticks that are just like the Charlotte Tilbury contour sticks. I don't know if you've got your hands on those, but they range in like the $43 range, which, oh, it's expensive, but it's a really good product. But now e.l.f. has, they're either $9 or $12. That usually seems to be their price point, and oh, stunning. They're gonna be a little bit hard to find in your stores. Since they just launched. I advise you, if you can. I looked on the website, going in with this Destiny shade right here, a little bit in the crease. I was on their website yesterday, and I could kick myself. I thought, oh, I'll just order it tomorrow. There'll be plenty. I went back this morning, and the shades that would work for me are gone, of course. So I went over to the Ulta website and did go ahead and get the shades that I think will work for me, ordered up, because I don't want to be without, and I cannot wait to try those. I mean, between the e.l.f. Halo Glow and so many of their new products recently, it's like every week you turn around and e.l.f.'s got a brand new bomb product out on the market, and they save so much money. Okay, I'm going to go with the shade Mercury last. Just put a little bit of this right here on my upper lid. Like I said, we're just trying to make this look springy, kind of like, you know, new grass. So tired of all the dark heaviness of winter. We're just going to smear that on right there. Yeah, if you get a chance and you are in any ways interested in those products, you're going to have to jump on that website super quick and see if there's any that are going to be left for you, because they are going fast. I'm just finishing up this eyeshadow. I'm going in with this white right here on the end just to brighten up my inner corner of my eye so I don't look so sleepy. Yeah, I've been doing a lot of shorts videos lately. In fact, I was doing a thing to increase my subscribers. Of course, you know, that's what all of us do here on YouTube for the most part. That's what we're aiming for. I mean, the more subscribers we have, the more interesting our channels get. So I'm going into this color here called Fudge. I'm not going to go with any fancy eyeliner today. I'm just going to go ahead and kind of line the underneath part of my eyes for just a nice light look. Oh, that's more pigmented than I thought. So yeah, I went ahead and did that, and it's amazing. Some of you are probably brand new subscribers of mine. A lot of you are ones that have been with me from the beginning, and it really did help with me getting a lot of subscribers, which is great because with that, people, you know, make comments and stuff and answer the questions over on the community tab, which helps me understand what it is you guys want to see in my videos. So I'm not just making videos that I think I would like, and I encourage those of you that are, you know, if you're watching this video, please don't hesitate. I mean, don't be mean. Please don't be mean. Don't send me hate. But if, you know, there's a technique or new makeup that's out that you're wondering what that's like, let me know. Send me a message or leave it down there in the comments, and I will get that for you, and we will try it out on here. That's what I like to do. That's what I want to do. I want to try the products so that you don't have to. And then, of course, your input helps, you know, with new techniques that somebody else might be interested in, and it just really helps everybody. So go ahead and give your eyes a nice curl. I have discovered my holy grail mascara. I'm not even gonna lie. It's expensive, but I think it's worth it. It's the Lash Idol from Lancome. Oh my, Lancome. I think it's Lancome. I think I'm saying it wrong. I know I'm saying it wrong. This mascara, like I said, it is pricey. She is pricey, but oh my God, is it phenomenal. It will hold the curl in your lashes all freaking day. And don't forget, like, you know, you may have been born with really curly lashes, but one of the signs of aging is your eyelashes start to go poker straight. Did you know that? You do now. Some people are just born with a straight lash. All you got to do is give it a squeeze with that curler, and this mascara is going to hook you up for the whole day. And it doesn't get, like, towards the end of the day, it doesn't dry up and flake off. You're not gonna find flakes of this all the way down your face. It's really a good mascara, I kid you not. Really, like I said, I paid a lot of money for this, and I was like, oh my gosh, this had better work for me, and it does. And you know what? It glides on super, super smooth. You're not in there picking out chunks because it clomped on too much crap, and you got to go back in there with a dry spoolie and get it off of there. None of that. It is really a superior product, and it really does perform well. Go ahead and take a look at this applicator. It's like a rubber applicator with these little grippies, and it really does grip onto every lash, even the little ones that are in there, and helps to pull it smooth. I cannot stop singing the praises of this mascara, and this is what it looks like. It's really, really good. Okay, now I'm going in with the Maybelline Dream Urban Cover Broad Spectrum. This is a foundation with an SPF of 50. Now, I'm all about the sunscreen and singing the praises of sunscreen, but one thing I want to let you know, before I came on here, actually when I got this morning, I have standalone sunscreen on. I do every day. Don't count on your makeup to be your standalone sunscreen, girls. It's not a coverage. It's just not enough coverage. It's not sufficient. You're going to get burned. You're going to get premature aging, because the American Skin Cancer Society, or the American Cancer Society, I don't know which, I'll link it over here, recommends you use 1/4 teaspoon of an SPF. Do you know how much 1/4 teaspoon is? I'll do a video and I'll show you. It's a lot, and you cannot possibly get that all on your face. And if it's put into a product like this, I don't care how good the product is, it's going to be diluted. It's watered down. You're not getting straight up SPF 50. However, that being said, the fact that this says it has SPF 50 in it makes me feel really confident that there's a really high percentage of SPF in it. And hey, what's wrong with double coverage? So I've got my e.l.f. Glow on with my 30, and then I've got this on with 50, and I've got a standalone. You cannot be too careful. Another one of the new e.l.f. products I've been going nuts for is the e.l.f. Putty Blushes, and this is in Rose Pate, I believe. I'll link it over here or down there. If you're going to go and get these putty blushes, do yourself the favor, spend the $4 and get the Putty Blush Brush, because it matters when you go to put this on. And you're going to put this on in a stippling motion. Remember, stippling is just pressing it in. You don't want to go like this. You want to stipple the product in. That way you're pushing it into your skin, and you're going to get longer wear out of it. But this shade is just absolutely fabulous. I'm putting it up high again, girls, to bring the eyes upward. It gives you the illusion of higher cheekbones. And I just do a little bit on my nose and a little bit up here, because like I said, we're not going into any crazy or fancy makeup looks today. So I absolutely am loving these. Get your hands on these as well when you're over at e.l.f. Okay, every time I say we're just going to do a light look, we're not going to go for all glam. Here we go. We're layering it on, layering it on. It's getting a little more complicated, but I love this. This is the Milani Silky Matte Bronzer. And the day I got it, I dropped it and broke it, but I'm not getting rid of that. Heck no, because it's still a good product. Just take a little bit of this and just hit it along your hairline. Just contour it out a little bit, even though it's bronzer. Just hit it anyway. eyes. Go ahead. You won't be sorry. You're really supposed to put bronzer here where the sun would hit you. So I'm going to go ahead and do it correctly. For lips, I am just doing a simple liner. This is an e.l.f. liner. Smudge it in a little bit with your fingers. Then I'm just hitting the top with this Mary Kay Illusion lip gloss, just a little bit. Right there in the middle to give your lips a little pop. Nothing fancy. I love that look lately. It's a nice light look. And the final step is also from e.l.f. My gosh, this should just have been an e.l.f. video. Of course, now we use the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the e.l.f. a Dewy Coconut Setting Mix. If you want to talk about something smelling like summer, getting you ready for spring and summer, this is your product. Just give it a little bit of squirt. I'm just, did you ever do that? And that's a heck of a noise I just made. Oh my gosh. I literally ate it. I hope I love it as much as I'm just telling you I love it. Tastes like coconut. Not really tastes like rubbing alcohol or something. I don't know. It doesn't taste good. Don't do that. But that Silky Setting Mist is going to keep us in place all day long. I'm so happy you took the time to enjoy this video with me. Like I said, it's been a while. I've got a lot more coming out. And if you like this video and you like my channel, please give me a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel. It really does help me out, and I would be honored. That's the biggest compliment that you could give me. And until next time, I am Jennifer, and I hope to see you soon.